The Marion Manufacturing Soffit Panel Line. The standard Soffit panel line from Marion Manufacturing comes equipped with a 5,000-pound decoiler and coil car for safe and easy loading of coils. The provided coil keepers will ensure your material runs straight off the coil. Seen here, the operator guides the material off the decoiler, underneath the loop arm and into the roll former. As the material is pulled into the system by the roll former, the loop arm raises, signaling the decoiler to advance the coil. As the material moves through the fully customizable, hardened and chromed soffit tooling, it is formed into the final profile. At this stage, the material enters the perforating passes. We offer a full range of perforating options from which to choose. Next is a rib straightener. This straightener is pneumatically actuated and can be selected for use individually by the operator. These are followed by a set of conditioning passes that ensure profile accuracy. The line is fitted with an air-driven, hydraulically actuated flying shear, giving you the ability to cut panels on the fly, increasing production. The shear is capable of quickly, cleanly, and precisely cutting panels from 1 foot to 12 feet long. The stacker is a bomb bay type with index and flip capabilities, allowing it to count and flip every other part for interleave stacking. Each panel is conveyed to the indexing point interleaved and then dropped onto the stack and tamped into place, then conveyed to the boxing station. With adjustable flipping arms, the stacker can index, flip, and stack small or large parts. Stacked and counted, the parts make their way to the boxing station, and with a box built and waiting, the operator need only guide the parts into the box. Offering a high level of automation, the Marion Manufacturing Soffit Panel Line is a workhorse of the construction roll forming industry.